So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to find all pairs of x comma y of integers such that this equation must satisfy. So we have to find the integer solution of x comma y for this equation. So let's see how we can solve this. So I write that equation here. So now you see I can also write this equation in this way, like x cube plus 1 whole square plus x cube plus 1 is equal to y की power 4 plus 1. So how? If you open this, it will become like x की power 6 plus 1 plus 2x cube plus x cube plus 1. So you just write in this way like x cube plus 2x cube plus 1 plus x cube is equal to y की power 4. And you can write this in this way like x cube plus 1 whole square, and then you can add plus 1 both sides, so it will become like this is equal to this. So now you have this plus this is equal to this. Now you multiply by 4 both sides. So it will become like 4 times this plus 4 times this is equal to 4 multiplied by y की power 4 plus 4. So now you add 1 to both sides. So it will become like plus 1 here and 4 plus 1 5 here. So now you can see that this will come like in this way. You can take 2 inside. So it will become like 2 times x plus 1, 2 times x cube plus 1, this whole thing is square, plus you can write this 4 as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by x cube plus 1 and plus 1 is equal to this. Now you see that it will become like a square plus b square plus 2ab type. So it will become like 2 times x cube plus 1 plus 1, this whole thing is square. So you can see that this will become, you open this will come like this. So you can write that here, and in the right hand side we have 4 times y की power 4 plus 5. So you can take this 4 times y की power 4 to the left hand side and it will become like this. Now you can write this as 2y square whole square. So now this form is similar to like a square minus b square, so you can open this like a plus b a minus b. So it will come like a minus b and a plus b and it is equal to 5. So now 5 is a prime number and x and y are integers. So this term and this term is also integer. So what are the different possibility? Like the first term will become 1 and second term will become 5. This is minus 1 and this is minus 5. First can be 5 and second can be 1. First can be minus 5 and second can be minus 1. So there are 4 possibilities simply. So you can solve for all these possibility, like if I take the first possibility of 2x cube plus 3 minus 2y square is equal to 1 and 2x cube plus 3 plus 2y square is equal to 5. So I take these two equations. So if I do 2 minus 1, so let's say this is 2 and this is our first equation. So I do 2 minus 1, so I get 4y square is equal to 4. So y square is equal to 1, so y value is plus minus 1. So if you put y value as plus minus 1, it will come like this. So x cube will come like 0. So possible integer is 0. So the solution is 0, 1 and 0, minus 1. So these are the two solutions. Now similarly you can solve like minus 1 and minus 5. So if you subtract, let's say this is second and this is 1, and if you do 2 minus 1, so it will become like 4y square is equal to minus 4, but from here we get y square is equal to minus 1, so which is not possible for real integers, so this possibility is not there. So now let's see the 5 and 1 possibility. So if you subtract, like this is our second and this is our 1, so if you do 2 minus 1, so it will become like 4y square is equal to minus 4, and again we get y square is equal to minus 1, which is not possible. And last possibility is minus 5 and minus 1. So again this is our first and this is our second. So if you do second minus 1, it will come like 4y square is equal to 4. So from here you get y square is equal to 1, and from here you get y is equal to plus minus 1. And if you just put y square value as 1, then it will become like 2x cube minus 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. So it will become like 2x cube plus 1 is equal to minus 5. And from here 2x cube will come like minus 6. So x cube will come like minus 3. But x is a integer. So x cube is equal to minus 3 doesn't have any integer solution. So in this way, the only possible solutions are these two, 0 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1, and in this way we can solve this.